No views, no subscribers. Maybe once you publish content on your channel, you always talk at a certain number of views, 100 views, 500 views. Sometimes you are not beyond 1,000 views, and sometimes no subscribers. This might have been a thing that has been putting your heart about YouTube. And even if you try hard, you get the subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, as well the 4,000 watch hour. You apply for monetization, yes, and your application was successful and you are monetized, yet the money is not forthcoming. You ask, where is the money? Where are the money you talk about YouTube? It is because you are not getting view. So if you are stuck at a certain number of views and you want to get more view, consider watching this video to the end, because in this video I will break down what you need to do before you upload your content, before you upload any video on your channel and get more view. Because a lot of YouTubers don't know this. They just go out here, create channel, and boom, start uploading video. Some of this feature is available on some channel, while some are not available on some channel. That is why you need to watch this video to the end, because I will switch between one channel and the other to show you which and what of these settings you need to turn on and turn off. Hi guys, welcome to today's video on this channel. I am Adeola. In this channel we give you tips on how to grow your YouTube channel very fast, how to make money online. So with that being said, let's dive in straight to this process. If you are here for the very first time, please do subscribe to this channel. Tap the notification icon and select all so that you're notified when we drop another important update on this channel. So all the process I want to explain in this video can be carried out using your mobile device as well as your computer. But if you want to use your mobile device, make sure you use the browser, Chrome browser, Opera browser, Safari browser, any browser of your choice, and access the web version of YouTube Studio. Now go to your Google Chrome or any browser, search for youtubestudio.com. Then you have access to the first link here. Click on that first link. Once you click on the first link, it brings you to this place. The reason I guided you through the processes to log into your account is that so many YouTubers don't know how to access the web version of their YouTube Studio on their platform. Rather, they use the mobile version, which is the common version that a lot of YouTubers use. But guys, I have encouraged you guys to upload your video, your content on YouTube platform using the web version. Because of some settings, you may likely miss out using the app version of the studio. Now that I've done that, come to the site of the studio, click on settings button. Once you click on the settings button, you have different options here: general, channel, upload defaults, permission, community, migration, and agreement. So let's go and tap on upload defaults first, because this upload defaults will guide you on what to do when you upload. It sets that particular setting here as default. Now here you have two options. We have the basic information, we have the advanced settings. So we are heading straight to the advanced settings. Click on advanced settings. Once you click on advanced settings, you have different options here. The first thing I want you to do is to go to under category or category. Click on that place. Here you have different options on under category. The first one here is autos and vehicle. If your content is all about cars, vehicle, or mechanics, then you're going to select auto and vehicle. And if your content is about comedy, you know how to make comedy very well, then make sure you select comedy. If your content is about education, like mathematics, physics, chemistry, and others, go ahead and select education. If your content is all about entertainment, you know what, how to make people laugh and how to create entertainment content very well, make sure you select entertainment. If your content is all about filming, animation, such as African tales, all this cartoon of a nature, you know how to make such content, go ahead and select film and animation. If your content is gaming, talk about games and others, select gaming. So scroll down here and select which of these that particular or that categorize your content and select it. So doing this will give YouTube algorithm to understand your content, thereby pushing your content to the rightful audience. YouTube is a global village and it occupies different individuals. It occupies many entities. So YouTube need to understand your content. YouTube need to understand your channel. The algorithm need to understand your channel so that they will push your content to the likely viewers that watch it. And doing this, YouTube use what is called watch history. That is what YouTube will use to push every content to the rightful audience that might watch it. So guys, make sure you use this category to suit the purpose of your content on the same page. Then now that I've done that, go ahead and click on this save button. Once you click on save button, you've just completed one part. Then under defaults, come to basic. Once you come to basic, then here you have visibility. Now we have three options here. We have public, private, and unlisted. I have explained that you should not need to push your content to the public while uploading your content. No, guys, I use unlisted. The reason I use unlisted is that even if your content has some copyright issue, if your content go against the community guideline on YouTube, you will not get strike. YouTube will notify you that this particular content has some certain issue. You fix that issue before you make that content public. That is one of the reasons you need to put your channel or your content on unlisted or private before you put it to public. This will give time for YouTube algorithm to study your content and check if there's any copyrighted materials or any copyrighted content on your channel, thereby be able to fix it. Not only that, the second reason you need to select unlisted is that it gives YouTube algorithm time to analyze your content, to carefully and perfectly analyze your content, thereby give your content to the rightful audience that may or might likely watch it when your content, your project, your work go live on YouTube. So I always encourage that you put your default visibility to what is called unlisted. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on save button. It is always good to click on save button. Then the next point, which you need to turn off or turn on, if you've turned it off or on your channel before you start uploading, is under channel. Let's go and click on channel. Once you click on channel, then go to advanced setting. Under advanced setting, there's this option that says audience. Under audience, you have three options here. We have one, made for kid, not made for kid. Then I will review this setting for every video. Guys, I will encourage you select this content is not made for kid. No, say this channel as not made for kid. Make sure you check this particular button to make sure that your content is not made for kid. Now, if your content is made for kid, or you choose I want to review this setting every video, you will not be able to live stream, and some other and your video will not be pushed to wider audience because it is specifically made for kids. So, and you want to get more views so that your channel will grow very fast, your content will do very well, then make sure that your channel is pushed to no send to kids button. Once you've done that, then you have to scroll down a bit under the same page. Then you see this one that says clips. Allow viewer to clip my content. Guys, if this particular button is on your channel, go ahead and turn it off. Reason is that if you allow viewer to clip your content, and some people are so wicked and they are so desperate, maybe they clip your content and they see that the video is doing very well, they might claim that content from you, and this might put your channel at risk. So I will encourage you guys, you toggle off this button. Now let's read together. If you delete this option, viewers will not be able to clip your content, and existing clips on your content will be disabled. Selecting this option again will enable existing clips on your content. So I will encourage you guys to turn off this button so that when your content is doing very fine, then it will be safe and secure. The another point here is this, which is known as third-party training option. Then you have option here, select third-party language and select third-party companies. Guys, I will encourage you to select third-party company because we are in the era of AI. So many companies may likely use your channel to train their AI, thereby pushing your content to different companies, pushing your content to different audience, thereby getting more view. So it is always a good thing to turn on this and select all so that your content will do well. So this is some of the settings you may likely see if your channel is not monetized. Now, you know, in the beginning of this video, I said some settings are available when your channel is monetized. So let me dive into my second channel that is monetized and show you the particular settings that make my channel get more view. So far guys, if you enjoy what I've explained in this video and you've not subscribed to the channel, please just take 1 second of your time, tap on that subscribe button, share this particular video with others so that they will also learn and build their own channel from the scratch. Now, third setting I want to explain under defaults is this. If you scroll down from where we stop under default, we'll talk about choosing your category under default, but go down a bit, you see what is called automatic dubbing. This particular setting is very great. Yes, it means your content will be sent to viewers on different languages. If you click on automatic, that is automatically translate your video track into different language and add them to your videos, it will automatically translate your content to different language like Spanish language, French language, Arabic language. Just name the language that Google supports. It will automatically translate your language to that language, thereby give more views to your content. Here I'm speaking English, and if someone that speaks French watch my content, as I'm speaking English, it will be translating in French. Even the title will be translated to French. So that's a very good feature that you need to turn on your channel. So guys, with this little setting that I've just explained, if you do this on your channel before you start uploading your content on YouTube, I am very sure YouTube will push your channel, YouTube will push your content to wider audience that may likely watch your video. So if you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, tap the notification icon and select all so that you're notified when we drop another important update on this channel.